Always use powder if photography is involved.
Even if you're not a powder fan, it's best to at least establish a begrudging friendship with it when photography is involved. The reason that makeup artists are always approaching actors with a powder brush between takes is because it helps cut down on shininess from photographs or film.
Take your time on your lips.
Rather than trying to apply your lip liner in one swoop, try the 4 directions trick. Use your liner to place an X at the north point of your Cupid's bow, outline the southern point at the bottom center of your lips, and then line the east and western points in the corners. Finally, connect the dots. Breaking up the process will help keep your hand steadier and allow for fewer mistakes in your lines.
Break up your eyeliner application.
When it comes to applying eyeliner, the straight shot from inner eye to wing is not the best way to go. The eyeliner can get caught on loose skin on the way across, which may cause unsightly bumps or smears. Instead, try stopping for a break at the center of the lid before finishing your wing.
You should think of your cheeks as boobs and contour as a bra.
What does a bra have to do with achieving killer cheekbones? As it turns out, it's the center of a nifty visualization technique to help you achieve perfect cheek highlights. As Makeup Forever artist Leila Stewart recently explained to Toparc, my theory on contouring when you're very first starting out, you want to think of your cheek as a boob and a bra. Your cheek has 3 different parts. It has the underwire, which is the contour, and it extends from the top of the ear and goes down. So where does your blush go? Right in the center of your cheek. That's the fleshy portion of your breast, where you want the most volume. We all have tricks when we are buying a nice push-up bra. Perhaps it's getting a racer back or a front clip that brings your cleavage up a notch. That's exactly what you can think of when you're using a strobing color. It's taking your cleavage or cheekbone to the next level and really pops that highlight. Apply it on the highest part of your cheekbone, where you want a lot of volume.
Not all concealers are created equal.
While it may be tempting to dab at every unwanted blemish on your face with a flesh-toned concealer, there's actually a much more effective way. Opposite colors cancel each other out, so try covering redness with a green pigmented concealer, pinkish spots with yellow concealer, and bluer tones such as under-eye circles or discoloration with a concealer that has more of an orange tint.
Think opposites when it comes to eyeshadow and eye color.
When it comes to picking eyeshadow hues for your eye color, look no further than the trusty color wheel of your elementary school art class. As a rule, you'll want to choose an eyeshadow that's on the opposite side of the wheel from the color of your eyes. For instance, blue eyes should go for shadows with orange undertones such as gold, peach, copper, or bronze. People with green eyes should look for colors with red tones such as plum or wine. Brown eyes are fairly neutral, so almost any shade will work well, from earthy tones to more standout colors such as blue or purple.
Mix your primer with your foundation.
While foundation alone is great for full coverage, if you're looking for a more translucent look, this technique smooths out your makeup and can help you avoid an overly caked-on look. It's also a great way to make your foundation stay in place all day.
Contour your eyes just like you do the rest of your face.
If you're a student of facial contouring, Think of eye contouring as sort of like a pH program. Whether you're looking to make your eyes bigger, add definition, or create more balance, there's an eye contouring hack for you. For round eyes, apply dark shades to the center of the eyelids and highlight the edges with lighter shades. For smaller eyes, stick with light to medium shades to expand the eye area. No matter what shape your eyes are, there's a contouring technique for you to follow.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.